Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my 2018 Christmas home tour, and I'm just going to be showing you guys all the decorations that we have put up. Some are old, some are new, and I'll try to tell you where a lot of them are from as well. I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you do, please make sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Alright, so this is the view you see right when you walk into my house. So we're going to just start in the entryway here. And I always like to decorate this little table here that we have in our entryway. And I actually repainted this. I've told you guys in videos before, but it is the Annie Sloan Duck Egg Blue. And I'm just going to kind of tell you where I got some of these items. You're going to see, but we love handmade items and things that remind us of things that the kids have done in the past. And Gracie June did this plate in her classroom last year, and it's just her little fingerprints. And then right beside it is something that we did with Kaysen's little feet when he had his first Christmas. All of our greenery has come from either Hobby Lobby, Target, or the Dollar Tree. And you'll see this little sign here I actually got from Hobby Lobby, and then the house is from the Target dollar spot. And then I just stuck this little greenery piece over here on the right on top of a candle. I used to have it hanging last year, like a mistletoe sort of thing. And then the little tree, I think, was from Walmart last year or Hobby Lobby, one of the two. But now we're moving into our dining room, and this is probably my most favorite place in the house to decorate. Y'all let me know what your favorite room is to decorate. I love getting to see other people's decorations and their ideas and everything, but this is definitely my favorite room. All of the little chargers are from Hobby Lobby from last year, and then the napkins are from Home Goods. And then I took some little greenery. I think I got this at the Dollar Tree last year, but I just wrapped them around the little napkins. And then our centerpiece garland is from Hobby Lobby last year. I got it on sale. And I'm still looking for something to put on the cake stand. Y'all let me know if you have any ideas. I'm thinking maybe like a little gold lantern and some ornaments or something like that, but I did need to still pick that up, and I just figured I'd go ahead and do my house tour, even though that's the only thing that's not complete. And now we're going to just move on to the buffet table, and I always love decorating this little space, and these are all dishes that I actually got from the Dollar Tree and kind of have done my own little thing on them with vinyl. I got this little advent calendar house from Hobby Lobby last year on sale, and we do something fun with these. I'll share in a future video, so definitely make sure you're subscribed so you get to see what little traditions we have for Christmas. Now we're moving on to my little tiered stand, and almost everything in here was from the Dollar Tree. The cocoa bar sign is from the Target dollar spot, but I think almost everything else is from the Dollar Tree, and super simple. And then we got the deer sheds are ones that we picked up from my husband and his dad's hunting club. And then the straws I got from Walmart, but I put these little marshmallows in here, and then the other jar I'm gonna put hot cocoa. We just need to get some more, we ran out. And then I always keep this little picture of the kids here. I just love that picture. But the little cocoa mugs are from the Dollar Tree, and yeah, I think the cups, everything is from the Dollar Tree. And then over here on this little cake stand, I got the cake stand at the Target dollar spot, and then I took a Dollar Tree ornament and a little bell and just stuck it up here with my little salt and pepper shakers. I think those are the Magnolia line, and a candle, and I just thought it looked simple and Christmassy. Christmas tree. I got the skirt from Hobby Lobby. It was $25, the wicker skirt, and then the tree is from Walmart from last year, and it's actually a glitter tree. I talked all about this in my last video about decorating the Christmas tree with us, so go check that out and you can see some of our ornaments close up as well. But now we're going to move on to the living room. The checkered pillows here are from TJ Maxx, and then the white and gray are from Hobby Lobby, and then I picked up another one of these blankets from Walmart. I got one for my bedroom and I absolutely loved it. And then the Walmart throw right here is one of those that are only like $5. And then I ended up moving Cooper's little bed out here from one of my other videos, but I moved it into the living room. And then I'm going to share this later in another video, but these are our Christmas cards from over the years, and I'm just going to have these out on the table so when people come over they can look through them like little Christmas books. And there's another one of the Walmart throws that are like $4 or $5. My kids love these, so we always get new ones each year. So we have even more little blankets in here in this basket, which is actually from Hobby Lobby. And then these little gnome Santas are from Home Goods last year. The kids get to pick out a new Santa each year, and we haven't done it yet for this year, but these are theirs that they picked out last year. Then we're moving on to our stockings, and I actually plan on getting new ones at the end of the season this year when they go on sale after Christmas. But all of these stockings are from Personal Creations, and they have all of our names on them. And then I took these letters from the dollar spot at Target and put them on each one just because when I get the new ones, I am not going to have our names embroidered on them. It's just going to have the letter to go with it. And then the little stocking holders are all from the Target dollar spot. Now we're moving on to the bookshelves, and this is another one of my favorite places to decorate, but I do like to keep it simple and not too cluttered. But almost everything comes from Hobby Lobby in this section. The nativity is from Hobby Lobby, the candle holder, and then the candle is from Bath & Body Works. And then the little jar over here with the greenery in it is actually from the Target dollar spot. I think they had it out with their fall stuff. I don't know if it's there anymore, but then the greenery came from Hobby Lobby. Dollar Tree has these little snow globes. They have different ones. This is from a few years ago. And then there's another little footprint art of caissons, and I put this stuff in this basket. It's from Hobby Lobby and turned our little books around. And then I still have the kids' school pictures up from 2 years ago, but they're one of my favorites. And of course these baskets are Hobby Lobby. The little reindeer is from the Dollar Tree, and then Hobby Lobby and a little DIY mason jar from a few years ago. And then that white wash basket is from a little shop on Amazon called Soul and Lane, and you'll see I have 3 different ones. They have 3 different sizes, and they all come as a set. They're super cute, and they're linked in my Amazon store. And then the nutcracker here is from the Dollar Tree, and then this little pedestal is from my friend Lindsay, and her shop is Boxwood and Binky's, and she does lots of different custom colored ones, so definitely go check her out on Instagram. And then I got the little house and plant from the Target dollar spot and stuck a couple bells up there. And then this frame is from Hobby Lobby, and it's just a picture from several years ago as well. you'll see another one of the whitewashed baskets, and I just stuck some greenery in there from Hobby Lobby, and then a couple of cotton stems. Then this frame I got from Hobby Lobby the other day, and I need to get a picture from this year to put in there. And then the Santa is from the Dollar Tree, just like the little reindeer. And these white houses were from the Target dollar spot, and this sign was from the Dollar Tree, and I was actually surprised because it was super cute. It has glitter on it, and I loved it. Into the breakfast and kitchen area, and I kept it very simple in here. I don't like to put a ton in here, but I do like to have just a little touch in the breakfast and the kitchen area. In this little section of the kitchen, I just put our chalkboard sign that we got, and I put the Bible verse, "Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace, goodwill toward men," Luke 2:14, and I figured we could keep that up in the winter. And then in this section, I just got this little ho-ho-ho sign from the Dollar Tree last year, and then the tree and the little hand towel is from the Target dollar spot. And over here on the oven door, I put the matching hand towel that went with the other one here, and I love the little pom-pom balls on the bottom. On our kitchen sink, I just have a towel that is from Walmart from a few years ago, and then my Mrs. Meyer's products, and this is the peppermint scent, and it definitely is Christmas. Now for the breakfast area, I just put these cotton stems in our vase, and if you guys know, I always just change out what's in the vase. I've been doing this since the spring, so I love this for our table. And then over here is our buffet and hutch, and I got the little Santa from the Dollar Tree. The milk jar is from Hobby Lobby. The cookies for Santa is actually from Walmart from last year. Then these two little cups are from last year, and then I got them at the Dollar Tree, and then I used etched vinyl to put the word milk on both of them. They look really cute when they actually have milk in them. And the straws are from Walmart, and then this little sign is also from the Dollar Tree. So another thing that I'm planning on getting after Christmas is more garland and more greenery when it all goes on sale, because I would love to put some up above on top of the hutch for next year, and then also on our built-ins. And now we're moving on to the master bedroom, and I did do a video which I'll link above. I did a clean and decorate with me, but pretty much everything that I'm showing you Christmas-wise in here was from the Target dollar spot except for the blanket, and that was from Walmart. This is our guest bathroom, so this is where everyone goes to use the restroom when they come over. So we did put a few little Christmas touches in here. We have some Mrs. Meyer's hand soap and the peppermint scent again, and then this little buffalo plaid hand towel as well as the one with the truck on it. Both came from Walmart. And then we have this little picture frame of the kids when they went to see Santa for Gracie June's. I think that was her first or maybe her second Christmas. Yeah, that must have been her second Christmas. But I love this picture, and I figured our guests would love it too. Now, the only place that we decorated upstairs was just a few little things in the kids' playroom, and this is their little tree that we put up every single year. We call it the green and gold tree. So the gold is to remind us of God's love for us, and the green is to remind us to share that love with others and spread His word and be fruitful. And so that's what we put on here, but we also have another fun little Christmas tradition where we put these ornaments on that are in this basket right below. You'll see me show you in just a second. But these ornaments go with a daily devotional that we do every single night, and we will put an ornament on the tree to remind them of that devotional and the message that it taught us. Last thing that we have is this little Dollar Tree village. Gracie June was obsessed with these when we went to the Dollar Tree, and so we picked up a bunch of these little pieces. The trees came in like a 2-pack, and then each of the houses or buildings came by themselves, but they had a post office, a church, and a hotel, and they were all out of all the little houses. So we ended up getting a few different hotels and churches and post office. And our plan is to eventually paint some of them, spray paint some of them white to make them look like houses. And she just stuck her little unicorn in there with all the little people. The little people came in like packs of 3, I think, from the Dollar Tree as well. And then the tea lights, I got all of those from Walmart. But this little village was perfect for her because she loves playing with all the little people, and they're plastic. Everything's plastic, so it's not going to break. And plus, they were only $1 each. She really wanted to play with the nativity set downstairs, and she did that a lot last year, and I was just afraid that the things were going to break. So this was our compromise. So that was it for my 2018 Christmas home tour. I hope that you enjoyed it and found some new decorating ideas for Christmas. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!